What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So as most of you already know, I finally quit my job Monday.
Hip hip hooray!
So I've made up some hours for the business, and what I decided is 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday. If you want to sign up after those hours, you can, but Saturday and Sunday will be closed. But again, if you want to sign up on the weekend, all you got to do is go to my website, everythingcreditllc.com, fill out the personal information, then send me a text message, let me know you're done. I will send you the welcome email. You can upload all your documents, go back to the website, sign up for my free score now, and upload your login credentials. Then up under the billing tab, upload a card. It can be a debit or a credit card. It just can't be discovered. Hope y'all have a great day.